Here's video 2 on this Holmes Blizzard Junior fan. And here's another video. This is another video recorded over here by the window because it looks really nice with the blades standing out, just like when I did the video of the heater. So I'm making this video because you guys absolutely love this fan. So now I have 3 Holmes fans. I have I don't know what the other one is, and then that was the one that was the very first one I had, and then the blue one that has no stand, and then this one. This thing is a pivoting fan, just like the Honeywell right there. But this one does not like. This thing is not happy when you tilt it up. It's about 6 inches. It's pretty small. The blades are, they look a little bit green. I know this fan is a Holmes, but it doesn't say Holmes anywhere on the fan other than the information tag. If this will focus. Yeah, I don't know if it's gonna focus. So this was not as cheap as the heater. The heater, like I said in that video, is $3. This one was $8. So yeah, it was still kind of a low price. I think these were originally sold at Bed Bath & Beyond, but yeah, they're not really sold anymore. I honestly don't know what happened to them. Here's the back of it with the 3 speeds and the cord. It uses the same blade that's in my other Holmes fan, I guess, but I don't know if it has the same motor. So let's start this up. So here's low. It's actually pretty quiet, but the air is not. It's not perfect. That's low speed. Kind of sounds a bit like the Honeywell AC800. And now here's high speed. There's a name on it because it's been used by another owner. And there's off. Spin down time is not all that great, but there it is. There's the official video 3 on my Holmes Blizzard Junior fan. So, thanks for watching. Peace.